Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking to fill up a blank space, check out this canvas from yearainn. This canvas is an awesome size. This is the 20 by 40 inch. It's perfect for over a couch or over a bed. It fills up a nice wide space without being overwhelming. The details in this canvas are beautiful. So this is obviously a floral botanical feel. All of the shades are very muted, nice warm colors, a little bit rustic, lots of burnt oranges and creams and greens. I love the way it picks up the different colors in my space, including my leather sofa. It's on a very sturdy frame and it comes with the hardware on the back to mount it. Now I have every intention of framing this. I had the perfect wood, but I'm just a little bit short, so I haven't been able to do it yet. But I believe their storefront also comes with some that are already framed. They have lots of different options for whatever your style is, but I'm really pleased with this one. It looks great from a distance, but also up close, which is really important. So if you're also looking for an art piece, I think you'll be really pleased with this one, and that's my point of view.